Now I will teach you what is list in HTML. Lists are used for making list of names or any other thing. So now you can open this HTML file and you can see Microsoft Internet Explorer have opened. Now for writing the codes, go to view and go to source. The notepad is opened. Now you can write the codes. So for writing the codes for list, you have to understand there are two type of list. One is bulleted list and one is numbered list. So bulleted list will not display numbers, it will display dots and squares. So I will show you how. So use bracket open close and write UL and copy this code and paste it and put a slash. So this means opening and this means closing. Now in between open and close with li, and now again copy this one and paste it with a slash. So whatever you type in between this will be listed. So suppose let's write Australia. So the same way let's add one more and one more. So everywhere you have to write L1 for the opening and slash li for closing. So now you can give different text, like the first one is Australia, the second one you can give Canada, and the third one you can give Singapore. So this completes the code of bulleted list. Now let's press Ctrl S for save, and you don't have to close this notepad, just click on Explorer and press refresh. So you can see this way the text get displayed, Australia, Canada and Singapore with this dotted. So now I will show you different types. So you can open. So you can see as after UL we have given no types. So if you can give different types. So you can use space type is equal to, so one is circle. So let's see what circle does. So you can save file and save, come to Internet Explorer and refresh. So you can see the circles are coming and in between it is empty. So this is the use of circles. Now let's try other one. Open notepad, instead of circles now give DISC. Now file and save, click Explorer and refresh. So you can see the bullet have changed to full rounded circles. So this is disc, DISC, and the last and final one is square. So come to notepad, remove this disc and type square. Square, save it and now refresh. So you can see squares are coming. So there are three types which you can use with bulleted. Numbered list. So now I will show you what is numbered list. So numbered list, what it does, it instead of this dots it displays numbers. So I will show you how. Open notepad. Now instead of U make it O, starting and ending also. This code will be same as it is, and now instead of this you have to remove this. Now you can save and now you can try. So this much is enough. So you can see 1 2 3 are coming. Suppose you want to start with 3 instead of 1. For that you can come to notepad and in OL here you can write start is equal to 3. So you can use double quote for 3, save it. Now in Internet Explorer press refresh. So now you can see instead of 1 2 3, now 3 4 5 are coming. So you can use numbers instead of bullets. Now let's try different things. Instead of these numbers, we can display characters also. Come to Notepad. Now after starting with 3, here you can write type is equal to. So now in type, use double quote, and we have few options. Like if you give capital A, it means it will give the name like ABC, but as it is 3, it means take from third character. So third is, first is A, second is B, third is C, so it will start with C. Let's see. So save it and refresh. So you can see CDE is coming. So now if you want in small letters, come to Notepad. Now instead of this capital A, give small a. Save it and now refresh. So now you can see CDE is coming. Suppose now you want Roman letters. For that, open Notepad and now instead of A, give capital I. Save and refresh. So you can see 3 4 5 in Roman characters. Suppose you want in small letters. So open Notepad. Now instead of capital I, give small I. Save it and refresh it. So now you can see this coming in small letters. And if you want in numbers, you can come here and you can give 1. Save it and refresh. So you can see numbers are coming. So for numbers, even you don't have to give the codes because numbers are by default. So you can come here, and if you want to give numbers, so it is better to remove this part completely. So start 3 means start with third. You can make it 1, and if you want to start with 1 only, you can remove this part also. So save and refresh. So this way you can use numbered list. Now I will show you an example. If you want to use bullet and numbered list together, so how to use it? So take an example that there are 3 countries with bulleted, and under it 2 cities will come with numbers. So how to do it? So for that, open Notepad and instead of this O, make it U, so that it can become bullet 1. Save and test it. So you can see bulleted have come. Now I want 1 and 2 inside Australia, 1 and 2 in Canada, and 1 and 2 in Singapore. So how to do it? So for that, open Notepad, and what you can do, give a blank line here and here because under it we need 2. So what you can do, copy this code, paste it inside, and instead of U, make it O. Now copy completely and paste it here, and copy this line also and put it inside it. You can give a tab for better reading. So now you can see UL starts and it ends here with first one, second one, and third one, and we are giving one more here with OL, that is numbered list. So instead of Australia, you can give a better text, like let's give a city like Sydney, and if you want to give one more city, copy, paste it, and now you can give another city like Melbourne. So now you can save and refresh. So now you can see, now we can see one mistake. The mistake is under Australia, Sydney and Melbourne is okay, but Canada and Singapore should have bulleted. It should not go more inside it. So let's see what mistake we have done. So open the Notepad and let's see. The mistake is when we have done this opening, the code is opening only. We have forgotten the slash. give the slash. Now save and refresh. So now you can see this way also we can do the coding. So this comes to the end of our list coding in HTML. Thank you.